Hi folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. I'm going to hold this up if I can see the label right. Okay, now this is the type of red pepper that modern refugee needs. Take a look at it. It's also in Korean. I can't read my Korean too well, but it's also in Japanese, so I can read that. Alright, this is the hot pepper, and that's kimchi, I think. I'm not too sure. I can't see too well. But anyway, this is the hot pepper that you want to make kimchi. Now, there's a lot of videos on YouTube by Koreans, and also I think Amy cooks or Amy makes. I think it's Amy makes that covers small batches of kimchi. Now, you do need Chinese cabbage. I do not recommend regular cabbage because my family says I make kimchi like an American. But anyway, the trick with kimchi is you have to have this powder. This is for modern refugee, and this is a chili powder. Okay, and a lot of you people that eats those nuclear bowls, this is the main ingredient. Okay, again, let me show you this. So you buy one of those atomic noodle bowls. I think Mad Dog did it, and I think Prepper Dale did it, and ate one of these. I'm not that crazy, okay? This is hot. Okay, just a pinch of it and you'll be running around the room saying, water, water. This is nuclear. Okay, take a good look. And you can buy it in your Asian food market. Now, I'm trying to think, you might have to go to Wisconsin across the lakes. I think it's Wisconsin. There's a lot of Asian communities. Just look on Google, find an Asian community and an ethnic food store, and they'll have this. And if you have a nice shopkeeper that has a little food area in their grocery store, sometimes they'll make kimchi fresh for you. And the nice thing is you can ask for the recipe. Nothing beats like getting a family recipe handed down. Okay, remember, cultural awareness. I always pound this into people, but people are still in their little bubbles. I'll catch you later, folks.